Want to cancel your Tesco mobile pay-as-you-go service? It's now easier than ever. As of October 2025, you can instantly cancel your POIG SIM through the Tesco mobile app or website. Just log in, find the Cancel SIM option, and confirm. Remember to return the physical SIM card within 30 days if you canceled that way to avoid any potential charges. This digital-first approach reflects the UK's move towards streamlined online services. If you have unused credit, don't worry. You can request a refund via bank transfer, which usually takes 7 to 10 working days, or opt for a voucher instead. Make sure you have your purchase details handy, like a receipt or app transaction record. Tired of unexpected charges from auto-renewing bundles? Tesco Mobile's Auto Bundle feature automatically renews your data or top-up bundles. To disable it, go to Account Settings, then Top Up and Bundles in the Tesco Mobile app and toggle the option off. Since early 2025, Tesco Mobile has added a confirmation step to prevent accidental renewals. If you cancel within 14 days of activating or purchasing a bundle, you're entitled to a full refund, aligning with updated EU consumer rights regulations. If you used some of the bundle, you are eligible for a pro rata refund. If you believe you have been wrongly charged for auto renewals like the user in Manchester from 2024 who had automatic £15 data bundle renewals, remember to contact customer service and provide evidence. Like that user who contacted Ofcom, you are entitled to a refund.